Hello everyone, you are on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to activate Alexa on Firestick remote. Let's go. Take the remote control or open Fire TV app. Hold down the button with Alexa. Hold down the button and say, for example, open YouTube. Alexa, open YouTube. That's it. Now you know how to activate Alexa on Firestick remote. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.